Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Food Cookery Tips, episode 3. You gotta be crackers, guys. A little joke, crackers. Well, it's because today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious crackers for supper. Last time, yes I know, it was cheese sandwich and cheese and pickle, I think it was. But this time it's going to be crackers. Oh, lovely. It's just how to style a lovely supper. Leave it all to me. As you can see, I've got my ingredients here. So I've got tomato, I've already washed it by the way, marge, pickle, oh look, Game of Pickles 900.
Yo guys, welcome back to another video on the channel.
No, Branston Pickle I'm afraid. But yes, I am giving Game of Pickles 900 a shout out. You'll see the link down the description there, so you can access his channel and subscribe. So yeah, this is crackers if you guys don't know what crackers are. No, not crackers like a duck, no, and also crackers don't come from ducks. It's like a type of bread and butter and cream in it. Right, so first step is to open the marge. Here we go, just open the lid, that's why it's a bit of a blooper there with the camera, sorry about that. Got one hand holding the camera, the other hand bloody need a free hand to, you know. Yeah, so anyway, butter it on, just like so. Just do it carefully, without getting butter everywhere. That's how you do it, so like a scrape. Crackers trying to fall off the blooming plates because cock-handed. Because yeah, I'm left-handed, you see, so that's why. So butter that along carefully. So basically butter all the 6 crackers. I'm having 6, by the way. So just like that. So I'm going to finish that off and then be on to the cheese bit in a minute. So I've buttered my crackers. Yes, I am crackers. Lol. I can't help making a bit of a mess. Bit of butter on my... Well, it's not butter, margarine rather, on my hands. Bit of marge on the knife, but I'm not going to let that go to waste. Just plonk it back in the tub. So, yeah. Next bit is to get the cheese out of the package. Oh, sorry about that. Right, now I'm going to cut it. Here we go, just take a bit off. Put the knife down it. So basically I might be a bit of a pig here, but just cut it down like so. Ooh, I'm strong. Oh, all that calcium. Ooh, there you go. I think I've done it. So yeah. And you take the cheese off. Yeah, done a good job there. Sorry for making you jealous at home, but I bet you're all licking your devices on your screens, thinking, wish I could have some, and where's mine? Well, got to order it in the post, but I don't think that would work out so good, because it would all be ugh, yeah. But yeah, just go to a superstore and you buy your crackers in the aisle and cheese in the dairy bit, and yeah. Right, done that bit. Now gotta cut the tomato now. I think the camera's perfect there, yeah. Basically, you don't want the hang on, just got to sort this out properly. Here we go. So you don't want that bit there, so basically I'm going to cut that off gently. Right, so I'm going to slice down there if it'll have it. Yep. Come on, is the knife sharp enough? So it's just taking its time. There you go. I thought the knife was blunt, but so basically you slice that bit off because you don't want to have that bit, and cut down the... no, because we don't want that either. Here we go. Just slice it down because I don't want all the other bit. So there you go, and then cut along there, just like so. I won't just slice it like that, I'll keep slicing it into little pieces because it makes it look tidier on your plate. So then cut again down the middle, without getting the pips out. There you go. And then basically just keep slicing it up. Got pips on my hand, you know, like a bit slimy. I never used to like tomatoes when I was younger, but once I started trying tomatoes, I started liking the taste, because they're really good for you. Tomatoes are, well, all sorts of fruit and veggies really, but yeah. I'm going to place that on there to the plate. Yeah. And plonk that on there. Same here. Plonk it on. And you don't want that because that's the end bits and that. So, to the final part now. Open up the Branston pickle. I'll put the camera down, that'll probably help. Just like so. So basically going to open the lid. Just like that. As Tommy Cooper said, just like that. Might be like that. So, now I'm going to put the pickle on. Yeah, so I'm going to put the pickle on now. Oh, Game of Pickles 900, guys. Excuse me, I'm a human, thank you very much. Oh, Bradley Champion, what are we going to do with you? Well, thank you for reacting to some of my videos, Game of Pickles 900. He's hoping, well, I'm hoping he will react to that video I did on the seafood diet. I'm on the seafood diet because I see food and I eat it. I wanted to do that video for yonks, but I just got the time to do it. Well, there you have it, guys. We've come to the end. I'm going to enjoy my supper, which is crackers, cheese, tomato and pickle. Wow, I'm going to make you jealous at home, guys. Right, dip that into your pickle and eat it. Delicious. Wow. Like I was saying in the video, there's a link in the description for you to subscribe to Game of Pickles 900. Also go and subscribe to our Wild Crew, subscribe to my channel here. Obviously you'll see the link on the bottom right there. Oh, and you've just seen the links pop up as well on the screen. My latest video on the left, my oldest video on the right there. Just like so, and end screen. Well, thank you very much for watching. See you again for some more food cookery tips. Episode 4 next time. Peace out.